As part of our exciting two-part series, today we're going to be backing up an Outlook personal folder. As you may know, personal folders generally are comprised of email messages pulled off of the server, pulled out of folders like Inbox or Sent Items, and moved to an offline location, usually on a computer's hard drive, for later viewing. These are the emails you want to save. And today we're going to take the extra step of moving that folder to a device that can be saved, particularly if you're getting a new computer, and then this file can be put back into your Outlook account. I'm going to jump to my Outlook here and show you how we're going to do this. Start by clicking on the File menu, and we're going to go down to Options. This is your list of Outlook options, and we're going to be using Advanced Tools. So click on Advanced, and then turn your attention to the Export section. That's where we're going to be working for the rest of this. So when I hit Export, that's going to open another menu box and select Export to a File. And Next. Outlook Data File. .pst. Next. Real quick, let me point out that the first list of folders that you see here are what I was referring to by live folders. You don't have to worry about backing these up because everything in here is on the server. This is why you can access them by webmail or from a mobile device. You don't need to back them up. All you need is the Outlook account. So any computer with your Outlook account has access to these folders. But when I go down to the bottom, you'll see several other folders. I have 4 here. You may not have 4, but if you have an Outlook personal folder, it's going to be down here. And I'm going to turn my attention to one in particular, my Outlook data file, because that's what Microsoft titles a new personal file if you haven't changed it. So I'm going to click there. I want to make sure that I have this box checked. Include subfolders. Make sure you check that so that everything inside the personal folder is also collected in this process. Then Next. And on this screen, you're going to determine the destination for the move, for where you're going to copy it to. So when I hit Browse, now will be a good time to plug in my flash drive. I can scroll down and should see it come up here. There it is, removable disk. And I will try to give it a unique file name that I'll recognize. I like to add a date, so messages 6/18. OK. Then Finish. It'll give you the option of an optional password. If you want only yourself to be able to access this file, you can use this tool, but it's one more password to remember. So I'm just going to hit OK, and it will create the file. If it's a big file, you can count on it taking a few minutes, and you'll see the hourglass going to save that. One thing you can check right away under the Start menu and My Computer is to see if the file made it to the destination, which mine did. There's messages 6/18 along with the other files I've backed up to the flash drive. And this file can be used to put the folder back into your Outlook on your new computer.